Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to search for documents in PandaDoc. Okay, so first up, just go and log into your PandaDoc account. Now, once you're in here, go ahead over to Documents, just click on it. Okay, once done, make sure that you are under here in the All section. Okay, after that, go to the top right, and here we have the search button. Okay, just click on it. Now just gotta start typing the document that you're looking for. For example, I have an employment contract, so I'm just gonna type in contract. Okay, as you can see, we have a ton of options. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and filter this out by just using the titles only option. Okay, click on it, and there you have it. We have two matches. You can click on view two matches right here. As you can see, it's been filtered out. That's basically how you do it. That's how easy it is to search for documents here in PandaDoc. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.